Assalamualaikum. Welcome to our Facebook page, Salim English. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Assalamualaikum. Walaikum assalam. Hi, hello. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. How do you do? Alhamdulillah, thank you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Goodbye. See you soon. Nice to meet you. Fi amanillah. Allah Hafiz. Have a good day. That's all my information.